Hello students, today we will learn Standard 6 Maths Lesson number 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Students, can you know what is this? It's a dot. One can say it is a dot, other one can say it is a point. Yes, it is a point. A point determines a location. A very tiny dot on a paper or the tip of a sharp pencil, etc. gives us an idea about a point. Points are denoted by capital letter. Now, if two points join together, it form a line segment. Let's give a name at one end point A, and this is our second end point B. It gives a line segment AB, and it is denoted like AB line segment. Now, if a line segment AB, suppose this is your line segment AB, if A extend endlessly on A beyond A, and if B extend endlessly, it forms a line AB, and line AB is denoted like line AB. Now, there is two lines, it is intersecting lines and parallel lines. There are two types of lines. One is intersecting lines and parallel lines. Suppose here is a line L and here is a line M. Line L and line M point at intersect at a common point P. So, if two lines have exactly one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Now, let's see other lines, that is parallel lines. Lines which do not intersect. Suppose this is your line L and line M. You can see that both the lines do not intersect at any point. Means lines which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Now let's know about a ray. Ray means it has one end point and one side. It can extend endlessly. Suppose A, B. We can denote ray as ray A, B. Now let's move to our exercise 4.1. Hello students. Today we will start exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Use the figure to name. Students, here one figure is given in your textbook in this exercise. You have to our first question is 5 points. Now, determine which are the 5 points in this figure. Here is D, E, point O, point B and point C. D, point, E, O, B, C. These are the 5 points. Now, our second question is a line. Which is a line in this figure? Look here. Here, this line, both the sides you can see the arrow. So, this is your line B, D. It can also be written as D, B. So, a line B, D. This is your line. We cannot say that this OC is a line. It is not a line. It is a ray. See, here O is your end point and C is extended. So, this is also ray and this is also ray. So, we cannot say that these are the lines. Now, our third question, 4 rays. In this figure, which are the 4 rays? Now, look here. O, this is your end point and this side is extended. OD is a ray, one ray. OB is a second ray. OC is your third ray and OE is your fourth ray. These are the four rays: OD, ray OB, ray OC and ray OE. Now, our next question is the 5 line segments. You have to write 5 line segments in this figure. Look here, line segments, as I had explained you that line segment has 2 end points. So here DE is a one line segment, EO is a second line segment, OB is a third line segment, OC is a fourth line segment and BE is your fifth line segment. So DE line segment, EO line segment, OB line segment, OC and BE. You have to denote like this line segment at the top. Now let's move to our question number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Look here, children, here one line is given. You can see that point A, B, C, D. These are the points on a line given, on a given line. Now, what you have to do? You have to write down the lines in 12 ways. First of all, come on, let's start. A line A, B. Look here. This is a line AB. AB line. AC line. AD line. Line PC. Line BD. Line CD. Line BA. Line CA. Don't repeat any line again. Line DA. Line CB. Line DB and line DC. Right, this way you can write all the 12 possible ways your lines of a given figure. Now we will continue this in question number 3.